what companies can actually do when it comes to looking at and detecting cyber threat is to increase the visibility in the cloud. So increasing the visibility is about collecting the necessary data and information to run security analytics. Okay, so you need to look at how you bring the data from multiple sources within the cloud and bring it into a central environment where you can run cyber security analytics on top of that. Okay. And in order to do that, you need to have the right level of use cases to be built. You need to understand what kind of threats that you're looking for, whether that is data exfiltration, whether that is misconfiguration, or any other targeted advanced threats. And you should be building those use cases to ensure that you are able to detect those specific threats. The threat actors are inventing new and innovative ways to identify how to compromise a customer environment. So they come up with new vulnerabilities that they can try and exploit. And one of the things with the cloud is that vulnerabilities doesn't exist like in a traditional on-prem environment. Vulnerabilities exist as misconfigurations within the environment. So this is what organizations need to focus on and build those use cases to help detect those threats in a proactive manner. So CyberProof is a managed security services provider, and one of the things that we focus on is to help customers who are going through that cloud transformation journey to proactively identify cyber threats and help mitigate them in a proactive manner. So we focus and we work with large enterprises to help them transform from the traditional on-prem environment to a complete cloud-native security monitoring infrastructure. So why Infosecurity Europe? I think this is actually one of the primary kind of events that brings all these security technology vendors and providers together. Okay, and you will see a lot of like-minded people coming in to look at how they can actually provide and bring innovation into cybersecurity space. So for me, I think what I'm looking for from Infosec Europe is, when it comes to the cybersecurity trends, there is two key things that is actually kind of are in people's mind. Okay, the first one is about going cloud native. Okay, so with all this digital transformation, people are more trying to use the cloud native capabilities that is provided by various cloud solution providers. The second big one is zero trust. Okay, so zero trust is a big word that you hear from all these vendors, and everyone have different means to actually execute zero trust. So those are the two key things that I think will resonate big with Infosec. And that is what I want to see more of within Infosec.